Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the 6th set of combos for level 1.9, which use a bound transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 5th set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo is going to be a pop front scoot round to a pop front scoot round. So you're going to do your pop front scoot round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a frontside stance and throw your pop front scoot round. The second combo is going to be a pop front swipe hook to a pop front swipe hook. So you're going to do your pop front swipe hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into your frontside stance and throw your second pop front swipe hook. The third combo is going to be a pop back scoot round to a pop back scoot round. So you're going to do your pop back scoot round and follow through to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a backside stance and throw your second pop back scoot round. The last combo is going to be a pop back swipe hook to a pop back swipe hook. So you're going to do your pop back swipe hook and follow through to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to turn around into a backside stance and throw your second pop back swipe hook. Now, if you're going to attempt these combos, I recommend highly that you have all your grounded flip kicks down already, as well as probably your zero kicks too. And again, I want to encourage you guys to combine these combos with the kicking combos that we learned earlier in the curriculum. And remember, for combos, you always want to think about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and make sure that you take them slow in the beginning, and then as it gets a little bit easier and you start to understand it more, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you for watching. That's not right. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I want to thank all the patrons for supporting this channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to the 7th set of combos for level 1.9. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.